Hi beloveds, this video is to tell you about my new upcoming 2-day masterclass on abundance, wealth, prosperity and opulence consciousness. It begins on the 17th, and on the 17th we are going to be doing a lot of clearing. Accelerated karmic clearing will be taking place, and we will be doing this interdimensionally. You will be clearing from other timelines, poverty consciousness, beliefs, conditionings, anything and everything that could be hampering you and hindering you from being able to live your most abundant, prosperous and amazing life here. And on the 18th we are going to be working with activating a new chakra, and we're going to be working with bringing in new flows, easy flows of prosperity consciousness, abundance consciousness, opulence consciousness, royalty consciousness. You will be given new templates for these as well. And remember, Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. So you will also be activated with the ability to handle everything that is going to come into your life with the greatest ease and grace. So if you feel called to, if you are tired of struggling to make ends meet, if you feel now is the time, my best life has to begin now, the age of Aquarius has begun, we are in a position to do and create whatever we wish now. So come, join me as we activate this consciousness that is our divine birthright, coming straight from Mother, Father, God, and with the help of a host of divine beings, archangels, Christed masters from various other planets. Join me and let's hold hands as we do this, because as we do it for ourselves individually, we are going to be activating these templates, these grids, these flows, this chakra for our beloved Mother Earth as well. Everything we do, every activation, every call includes Mother and every being upon her that is ready and open to receive what we are sharing. All right? Looking forward to seeing you there, beloveds. Loads of love, loads of blessings.